Welcome to the AARDY.com YouTube channel for travel tips. I'm Jonathan Breeze, the CEO, and today's topic, short-term travel insurance. Now, have you ever wondered the value of short-term travel insurance? If you're only traveling for 1 or 2 days, is it even worth it? Now, a large number of our insurance policies at AARDY are for ultra-short trips. They often cost less than $20. Now, we wanted to explain the logic behind this with an example. So this is the Mexico City day trip. Those of us who have traveled for business with a corporation know that long day trips are the norm rather than the exception. Our traveller is flying south from California for a meeting in Mexico City. So she had an early start, then a cab from the airport to a meeting. She'll grab a late lunch near the meeting, then finally head back to the airport to fly home after a very long day. Her flight here is her only purchase for the day trip and comes in at around $495. Short-term travel insurance, why bother? Well, here's the thing. Travel insurance covers trip cancellation. It covers medical sickness. It provides our traveller with medical evacuation cover. If bags are lost or delayed, coverage is in place. All of these coverage items, when we travel at AARDY, are primary reasons for looking for short-term travel insurance, and one of the top here is for medical cover. Now, in this example, our traveller is heading towards one of the most congested cities in the world. Mexico City is amazing, but it has chaotic roads and accidents happen. We have a series of long road trips to and from the airport and plenty of walking around congested streets. Our traveller who is tired and unfamiliar with her environment, so why on earth would we not want to get protection for this type of trip? Now, most people are astonished at how reasonable the costs are for short-term travel insurance, often less than $20. Now, food on board the aircraft will be more expensive than the trip insurance. So putting this example through AARDY, we came up with some excellent low-cost options for our trip to Mexico City. ITI, Roamrite and TII all have great plans for around $20 for our traveller. One of our most successful low-cost policies is the ITI Lite plan. It is certainly low cost at only $19, but it has $100,000 of medical sickness coverage and $250,000 of medical evacuation cover. So why on earth would we not want to get protection for this type of trip? Now, according to the CDC, half of medical evacuations back to the US are the result of a car crash. Now, the cost of that evacuation can cost upwards of $100,000. There is no way that any travellers should place themselves in a position of financial ruin as a result of an accident abroad. Short-term travel insurance is inexpensive yet has powerful cover. So, we know we should get some travel insurance for our trip. Now, how best to do it? Well, we love Amazon and are fans of Expedia. Comparison shopping is simple. Sites like AARDY do exactly the same for travel insurance. Now, would you like to travel and visit each of the carriers individually? Well, of course not. Take the Amazon-like travel insurance experience with AARDY and you won't find the same trip insurance plans available at a better price, because price certainty is guaranteed as a result of anti-discriminatory insurance laws here in the US. Safe travels.